Hello and welcome back to my channel. This video is for latchback beaded hoops. To make the hoops, I will be using 18 gauge soft stainless steel wire. Soft stainless steel wire is still hard and will maintain its shape. It does not require hammering. To begin, I straighten the wire with a wire straightener. Afterward, I trim the end of the wire flat. Next, I make a loop, and once I've made the loop, I place a chain nose plier inside of the loop and I slightly twist my dominant hand towards me to slightly bend it. And all the materials I'm using for this video are listed in the description box. I will be using this bracelet mandrel to shape the hoops, and I measured 2 centimeters from the top, and this is where I will be wrapping the wire around to shape the hoops. For the left hoop, I ensure that the P shape is pointing up and the loop is pointing towards my left. For the right hoop, I ensure that the P shape is pointing up and the loop is pointing towards my right. And once you've done that, you can wrap your wire around the mandrel to shape it. To cut the hoop, place the loop close to the other side of the wire, then cut below the P shape of the loop. And once you've done that, you can add your preferred beads. I'm using round 8mm wooden orange and donut yellow beads. Once I've done that, I leave out about 2 centimeters of the wire, and this is going to make it easy for me to insert and also to remove and close the hoop. After that, I use a chain nose plier to bend up 0.5 centimeter of the wire. I hope this video was helpful, and if you've got any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.